Hey guys! Today I show you some simple stretching exercises. Most of the time, I do them in the morning or after sitting for a while. It helps me to stay flexible and to ease back pain. Keep in mind that I'm no professional. I do all of these exercises by intuition. I test step by step what feels right for my body and avoid making too fast movements. I normally do stretch for about 10 to 15 minutes. Get a comfortable and quiet place to be fully able to concentrate and feel your body. Be careful and gently test your limits. Whenever you feel resistance, hold it for a moment and slowly release it. We are starting with some exercises while standing. Watch your breathing to be calm and rhythmic. Stretch your arms on a 90-degree angle from your body. Press your palms to the outside. Keep your back straight and stand with your legs closed. You will feel the stretching in your upper and lower arm. Stand with one leg apart, lift your right arm above your head and press your palm towards the ceiling. Try to make a bow with your body. The other arm supports and is put towards the side of your body. You will feel the stretching in your lateral abdominal muscle. Now switch sides and do the same with the left arm. Get into a close standing position again and hold one of your wrists in the back. Push your hands away from your body. Now slowly bend over and continue to push your hands away. You will feel the stretching in your shoulder muscles. Slowly roll up your back again and get into a straight standing position. Grab one of your wrists and raise your arms above your head. Push your palms towards the ceiling. You will feel the stretching in your shoulders, in your abs and in your lower back. Slowly lower your arms again and bend over. Push your palms towards the ground and make a gentle rocking motion to test the limit how far you can reach down. You will feel the stretching in your calves. Before lifting your body, reach down as far as you can one more time. Now slowly roll up your back and move your body to relax it. Now we do the same exercises but inverted. Push your palms against your back and slowly bend backwards. Just go as far as you still feel comfortable with. Now hold this position for a while. You will feel the stretching in your abs and your lower back. Roll up your body and bend forwards one more time. Slowly roll back up again. Now bend one leg and position it in the front. The other one will be positioned in the back and is kept straight. Push your heel of the back leg to the ground. You will feel the stretching in your calf. Switch sides and do the same with the other leg. Stand back up and pull one arm towards your body. Your arm that is pulled should be as straight as possible. You will feel the stretching in your shoulder. Now switch the arms and do it the other way around. The following exercises are done in a sitting position. Sit down with your legs stretched out. Now bend your upper body forward and grab your ankles. You will feel the stretching in your calves and your upper legs. Slowly roll up and reach towards your toes again. Push your toes forward. This exercise will stretch your arms, legs and shoulders. Roll back up and bend forward one more time. Support your arms on your legs and bend your back towards the ground. You will feel the stretching, especially in your upper legs. Now bend one leg and rest the sole of your foot on the other leg's thigh. Bend forward and make a gentle rocking motion with your upper body. You will feel the stretching in your whole leg. Switch legs and do it the other way around. Slowly roll up your upper body and stretch both legs. Put your hands in a 45-degree angle behind your back and bend your head back as far as you can. You will stretch your arms and your neck. Slowly roll back up again, relax your body, grab your legs from below and bend back your head again. You will feel the stretching in your neck and your back. Slowly roll back up again and turn your body around so you are laying on your belly. Rest your head with the chin on the ground, grab one wrist and push it towards the ceiling. You will feel the stretching in your shoulders and your upper arms. Slowly lower your arms, bend your head to the back and push your arms towards your feet. You will feel the stretching in your lower back and your abs. Release your arms, grab your legs and push them towards the ceiling. This exercise will stretch nearly your whole body, especially your legs and arms. Now slowly release the tension. Let go of your legs and lay them down straight. Put your hands on the ground beside your body and bend your head and upper body back. You will feel the stretching in your abs. Now fold your legs and sit onto them. Put your head on the ground and stretch your arms in front of your body. You will feel the stretching in your shoulders and your upper back. Sit back up, put your hands with the fingers facing inwards on your thighs and bend your head back. Push with your hands against your thighs. You will feel the stretching in your abs and your back. Now position your hands behind your body. Push your hips to the front and bend your head back. You will feel the stretching, especially in your upper legs. In the last exercise, you grab your hand, make your arm straight, and pull it towards the side of your body. You will feel a stretching in your shoulder and upper body. Do the same with the other arm. I hope this morning stretches help you with flexibility and feeling your body better. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.